did. This is what I really wanted to get the video of.
I broke it in half, so that won't happen.
I told you you're gonna be all over there in that.
Oh shit! Oh,
This is wonderful.
Oh.
YouTube, here we come.
yeah, keep it up.
Oh. 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 You know how that happened? He walked over there and grabbed a
Grabbed it.
that
Yeah.
bush right there.
Amazing, ladies and gentlemen, this horse has never been ridden.
Yeah.
Huh?
Other than the fact that he's just been riding it for.
What?
I told all the fans of YouTube this horse has never been ridden.
Yeah. Nah, never.
There, seriously? Oh, we have got some groundwork to do.
Yeah, that's 1 minute and 10 seconds of this.
Tara, be still. Oh, baby. Oh.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's got it.
Oh.